Hello friends, if you are a QA engineer and you are still ignoring AI, your job may already be at risk. Not after 10 years, not in some distant future, right now. Because while many testers are still doing testing manually, other engineers are using AI to generate test cases, write automation script, analyze bugs, create frameworks, even debug failures automatically. And companies are noticing this fast. Today, I will show you why ignoring AI is becoming dangerous for QA engineers, which testing roles are most at risk, and how smart testers are using AI to become more valuable than ever before. Now, before anyone misunderstand this video, AI is not replacing all QA engineers tomorrow, but something massive is happening. Companies are asking, how can we test faster with fewer people? And AI is becoming the answer. That changes the industry completely, because earlier our team needed manual testers, regression testers, automation engineers, reporting teams. Now, one AI-enabled QA engineer can do work that previously required multiple people. And the scariest part, many testers still think AI is just hype. That mindset is extremely risky now. Let's talk about reality. AI tools can already generate automation scripts, create test scenarios, heal broken locators, summarize defects, analyze logs, validate APIs, create SQL queries, suggest edge cases. Earlier, testers spent hours doing this manually. Now, AI can do many of them in minutes. Does that mean QA is dead? No, but repetitive QA work is definitely shrinking. And wait till you hear which QA engineer may actually become higher paid because of AI, because this is where most people completely misunderstand the future. Which QA roles are most at risk? First, repetitive manual testing. The first risky area, repetitive manual regression testing. If someone only executes same test cases, follows fixed checklist, repeats predictable workflows, AI plus automation can already reduce much of that effort. Second, copy paste automation. Second risky role. Automation engineer who only copy frameworks. Today AI can generate Selenium code, Playwright scripts, API automation, assertions, XPath locators. So basic scripting alone is no longer enough. Third, basic documentation work. Third risky area, documentation only QA work. AI can now create test cases, bug summaries, reports, requirement mappings. That means low value repetitive tasks are rapidly changing. But now comes the twist. The same AI that threaten some QA jobs is creating massive opportunity for others, because companies now desperately wants AI enabled QA engineers, automation architects, QA engineers who uses AI tools, AI workflow testers, QA engineers who think strategically. In simple word, AI is not replacing smart QA engineers. AI is replacing repetitive effort, and the people learning AI today may dominate the QA industry tomorrow. Let me give you a simple example. Imagine two QA engineers. QA engineer A works traditionally, writes everything manually, does repetitive regression, avoid AI tools. QA engineer B uses ChatGPT, Playwright, AI debugging, AI generated test data, API automation, self-healing frameworks. Now both receive same feature for testing. QA engineer A takes 2 to 3 days, QA engineer B with AI few hours. Now ask yourself honestly, who becomes more valuable to the company? Here's the biggest misunderstanding in the QA industry. People think AI versus QA engineers. Wrong. The real competition is QA engineers using AI versus QA engineers ignoring AI. That's the actual battle happening right now, because companies don't care how work gets done. They care about speed, quality, cost, efficiency, and AI directly improves all four. So, what should you do now? Here's the roadmap. Step 1. Start using AI daily. Use ChatGPT for test case generations, bug analysis, automation help, API validations, SQL generations, even small usage matters. Step 2. Learn modern automation. Focus on Playwright, APIs, Python, CI/CD basics. Step 3. Understand product thinking. Future QA engineers must think beyond scripts. Learn user behavior, risk analysis, business impacts, edge cases. Step 4. Build AI QA projects. Create projects like AI test generator, self-healing framework, AI bug analyzer, QA AI agents. These projects will massively increase your future values. By 2027, I believe many repetitive QA roles will shrink heavily, but at the same time, AI-powered QA engineers may become among the most valuable people in testing, because every company wants faster releases, better quality, smaller teams, smarter automation. And AI-enabled testers directly solve that problem. So don't fear AI. Use AI, because ignoring AI in 2026 may become one of the biggest career mistake for QA engineers. The future belongs to testers who learn continuously, adapt quickly, combine QA plus AI plus automation. And if you want to become future ready QA engineer, AI powered tester, modern automation engineer, QA AI specialist, then subscribe or follow to Swadeep Nagar QA AI Labs, because on this channel we will build the future of QA together. And trust me, the QA industry is about to change faster than most people expect. Thank you.